Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer writing techniques with EssayPro detailed guide step by step clearly. To start transferring writing techniques with EssayPro, gather your writing materials and any reference documents. Visit the EssayPro website and create an account if you haven't already. Explore the available resources, including guides and sample essays, to familiarize yourself with their writing style. Select a specific writing technique you want to learn about, such as thesis statement formulation or effective paragraph structure. Take note of the examples provided on the platform that illustrate this technique in action. As you read through these examples, pay attention to the language choices and sentence structures used. Next, draft a short essay using the technique you've chosen as a focal point. Incorporate what you've learned from the EssayPro resources into your writing. As you write, ensure you practice the specific technique deliberately in your essay. After completing your draft, compare your work with the examples from EssayPro. Look for similarities in areas where you can improve your technique. Revise your essay by making adjustments based on your comparisons. Seek feedback from peers or mentors on your revised essay to gain additional insights. Incorporate their feedback and further refine your writing technique. Consider using EssayPro's editing services to polish your final draft if needed. Finally, review your essay one more time to ensure that the writing technique has been effectively integrated. This process will not only enhance your understanding but also improve your overall writing skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.